your own views are part of it. Meanwhile, someone else just posts how to save money or 5 online jobs and they are getting thousands of views and cashing out. And you just be there wondering, God, when? But here's what they are not telling you. The kind of videos you make, your niche, is what determines how fast you grow and how much you earn here on YouTube. And in this video, I'm going to show you the best niches that can help you grow faster and actually make money. Whether you're just starting out or you're about to give up or you're just thinking of switching niche, trust me, this will save you a lot of time and stress. Before we dive into the list, let me quickly explain something you need to understand. So that when I say this niche as IRPM, you'll know what I'm talking about. So there's something called CPM, and that simply means cost per 1,000 views. In other words, this is how much advertisers are paying you to place ads on videos. Then there's RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, and that's what you, the YouTuber, takes home. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Let's say your CPM is $10. YouTube might take 45% of it, and you'll be left with maybe $5 or $6. That's your RPM. Now, imagine if 10,000 people watch your video, and your RPM for that video is $8. That's $80 from one video. And let's say you do 4 of those in a month. That's over $300. If you're in Nigeria, you already know this is a lot of money in our currency. And then if the video keeps getting views month after month, then the money keeps coming. So when we say some niche have high RPM, it means they make more per view, even when you don't have large audience. Alright, now let's talk about the juicy part. What niches can make you grow fast and end well in 2025? Before we go into the juicy details, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Imwele Ayo, and if you're seeing this for the first time, I talk about how to edit YouTube videos, YouTube growth, and how to make money online. And if that's something you're interested in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, because what I'm about to share in this video will change your YouTube game completely. So let's get right into it. The first niche on my list is personal finance and how to make money online. I won't even lie to you. If I was starting from scratch, this is the first place I'd look into. And I'm currently trying to do that with this particular channel as well. You see, this niche has everything. It's always in demand. People are constantly searching for how to save money, how to make money online, how to invest, and even how to lead their 9-to-5 jobs. And an example of topics that you can talk about in this niche are 5 websites that pays you daily, how I saved 100k in a month, online jobs that you can start without experience. And the estimated RPM for this particular niche is $8 to $25. That means 10,000 views can bring in $80 to $250. Not bad, right? And the good part is that you don't need to be a millionaire to talk about money. You can always share your experience, talk about your journey, how you budget, how you do side hustles, and the apps you use. The thing about this is that people always connect with stories that are relatable, and they are not all about perfection. And then advertisers are paying big for this niche. I mean, we are looking at fintech apps, bank apps, crypto platforms. They are always paying high for this particular niche. So you should look into that. If talking about how to make money is what you're interested in. The second niche on my list is tech reviews or gadget reviews and tutorials. Now let me tell you, you don't need to be a tech bro or buy the latest iPhone to do this niche. So if you know how to explain things like how to use an app, how to use an AI tool, you are good to go. Example of topics you can talk about in this niche are top 5 AI tools for students and freelancers, and then gadget reviews, maybe iPhone versus Samsung. These are the things you can talk about in this niche. And the estimated RPM for this niche is $4 to $12. Some channels are even earning more than that, especially when affiliate links are involved. I mean, you can literally just record your phone screen for the tutorials or your laptop screen and explain how to use it. So, and most importantly, for this niche, you don't need to show your face most of the time. In most cases, there's likely no need for camera, light, and studio setup in this niche. The third niche is health, wellness, and mental peace. This one is powerful, especially in 2025. I mean, people are stressed. Everybody's looking for peace, better health, and balance. So example of topics you can talk about in this niche are 5 habits that helps me stop overthinking, morning routine that gives me peace, natural remedies I use for stress. And the estimated RPM for this niche is $3 to $10. People trust channels that talk about self-care, and health brands, wellness apps, even skincare brands love to advertise on this kind of videos. And the good thing is that you don't need to be a health coach to do this. Just talk like you're helping a friend and always share the tips that work for you. The fourth niche is how to channel. This niche is like hot amala. Everybody's rushing in. I mean, people want to learn skills, they want to learn something they don't know about. Be it video editing, Canva design, freelancing, content creation, coding, you name it, anything that is learnable. An example of topics you can talk about in this niche are how to create a logo in Canva for free, how I got my first Fiverr gig with no experience, best free website to learn skills in 2025. And the estimated RPM for this niche is $6 to $20. And guess what? You can add affiliate links to your videos or sell your own course or ebooks later if you want to. I mean, that's another way to break in tons of dollars. With this niche, you don't need to be a pro. All you just need to do is teach what you know. Let's say you've learned how to use CapCut. You can do a tutorial for beginners. And the thing is that what you feel you know, other people might not know it. And what you're learning right now is like somebody's miracle tomorrow. I don't know if you get that. The fifth niche is faith-based or Christian motivation. This one is deep. If your art is in encouraging people, this is a beautiful space for you to grow in. I mean, my first channel is about this. If you don't know, I have another channel. That's my first channel ever. It's about faith and Christian motivation. Examples of topics you can talk about in this niche are read Bible verses that help you through tough times. You can share your own personal story. You can talk about marriage. You can talk about family life. You can talk about Christian struggles or encouragement or post motivational videos just to encourage people. You can also do Christian book reviews, movie reviews, or even how Christian ladies or Christian women can make money online. So there are a lot of things to dive in this niche. The estimated RPM for this niche is $3 to $8. It may not be the highest, but it gives room for deep connection and trust. And from that, you can build a community, sell devotionals, or even publish your own books. Talk about turning your passion into something that fetch you money. This is it. And then the good thing is that you don't need to be a preacher or you don't have to preach. Just be real, talk to your audience like a friend, pray with them, and you can even share what God is teaching you with them. The last niche on my list is African storytelling, documentaries, or history. This one is fire right now, especially with the rise of AI tools. Examples of topics you can talk about are fiction. You can create a fiction script. ChatGPT can always help with all this. Talk about history like the untold story of Moremi, why Yoruba kings wear beads, the powerful woman who defeated the British in 1986. A whole lot of things. Or you can just create a story around African heritage with the help of ChatGPT and other AI tools, image generation AI tools like Leonardo AI. There are videos about this. You can learn from them and create your own channel and start posting videos like this. And the estimated RPM for this niche is $2 to $6. But the viral potential for this niche is mad. To be honest, one video can go from 100 views to 100,000 views in a week. I mean, you don't even need to show your face for this. Just get your script with the help of ChatGPT, add voiceover, create your images, and add music, and you're done. You can watch tutorials on how to do this here on YouTube. Now you might be asking, I like all this. Which one should I go for? Here's my honest advice. Make sure you pick something you enjoy and what people are searching for. That's the sweet spot. Not everything has to be your passion, yeah? But don't pick something you hate just because it pays well. I mean, you will get tired fast, which is not good. You don't want to start something you cannot finish. So start with something you can stay consistent with. Something that makes you excited to record even when the views are low. So let me help you avoid wasting time by telling you the type of niche you need to avoid, especially when you are starting out as a beginner. The first one on my list is random vlogs. Unless you're a celebrity, or maybe you've grown on another platform, people won't care about what you ate or where you went to. You need to grow first. I mean, you need to build a community first before you can dabble into this kind of niche. Let's say maybe you already have a channel where most people love your work, and then you're trying to now create a lifestyle vlog, everyday vlog on this site. This can work. But if you are new to the social media space or new to the YouTube platform, or you don't even have a huge subscriber or following on any other platform, this is a no-no. If you want to start making money on YouTube, avoid this niche. The second niche is gossip and celebrity drama. This gives you fast views, yes, but it can damage your brand. If you are not careful enough, you might get into copyright issues with YouTube, and it is hard to get monetized in this niche. And also, the RPM is really low. So before you start that gossip channel or this vlog, rethink it. If it's something you're interested in, no problem. Or if you are starting out and you want to make money fast, like I said earlier, it is a no-no for you. Then the last on my list is skit and comedy. I mean, being funny is good. Everybody wants to laugh. You want to crack people up. But this niche is very competitive and hard to earn from. Unless maybe you blow up, you go viral, or you have sponsors. So far, if you've been struggling with what niche to choose, I hope this video gave you clarity. I mean, YouTube is still one of the best ways to build influence, earn income, and reach people. But you have to be strategic. Start smart, pick your niche wisely, and make sure you post consistently, even when views are small. And please choose a niche you actually enjoy, something you love talking about, because when you are passionate, it shows, and your audience can feel it. And this makes consistency easier, and you are less likely to get burnt out. If you want more help, I've made videos on how to get video ideas that rank high on YouTube search, how to design your thumbnails, and things to do after uploading your video. I'll be dropping the links of these videos in the description box below. Make sure you watch them. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe for more amazing YouTube tips. See you in the next one. Bye.